I'm LJ from Synergy Print Design. Today we're going to walk you through the production for Optimum Orthopedic shirts. They're a customer that's a physical therapy based business in New Jersey, and they wanted a two-color design on their front left chest and the full back of a moisture wicking shirt that they could give to their customers that's comfortable while they work out. So they originally sent us their main logo with their underline here that they wanted on their shirt. They wanted to add the addition of their locations on the back, which we professionally added here in Illustrator. And they also wanted a left chest location smaller on the breast with their established date. Now that we have an approved artwork proof, we now create the separations based off their approved artwork. We have a front left chest and the full back here set to size, ready to print. After we have our approved proof, we have our steps printing out. This is our gold step we see here for our full back and our left chest, which will then be cut up and burned to a screen, which will be the next process of our order. After you have your separations printed out, you ended up with two films. You have one here for the gold, you have one here for the navy. These are then cut and placed on a screen and then burned the image for your color separations in order to be done for production. After you have your screen separations, you then take them, tape them to the back of a undeveloped screen where you need them to be printed at, and you then expose the screen. Now you burn it. Now this, put the frame inside the unit, lock it down, it vacuum seals the frame, and then it exposes light. So after we have our image burned onto our screen, we then take it to a blowout station, power wash it, and your negative image of your color separation is then blown out onto the screen, which produces the end result for each color separation. After we have our screen then developed, we then bring it up here, the edges get taped, and your frame is now ready for setup. As you see here, we have a two-color design set up on the 6-color machine. We have a gold screen and a navy screen for this Optimum job. After you set up the blue screen, you have to flood the screen one pass blue ink in order to align your gold screen to your blue. And from there you have your hard copy proof of what it's going to look like. After setting up the two-color job, you then take all your pallets, you set your pallets to the right height, and you run your job. So after the setup of the initial front left chest, a hard proof is brought to me to ensure that it is printed correctly and in the correct location. After the shirt is printed, you're then left with the finished product, dried, cured to the shirt, and ready to give to the customer.